This is a short video to show you how to create a drip campaign in Filogix Expert Pro. Drip campaigns are a series of automated emails sent out on a schedule from a trigger. To set up your drip campaign, go to the Drip Campaigns tab and click Create Drip Campaign. Enter a name for your drip campaign and click Create. You will first need to enter sender information for the drip campaign. Enter your name, select your email address, or click Create to add a new one and add in your address information. This is for CASL compliance purposes. From there, you can add your entry criteria. These are the conditions by which a client will be entered into the drip campaign. Click Add. Select the trigger. For example, if a client profile is marked as inactive or reactivated. If a client profile is created, or if the status has changed, I'm going to choose if the status has changed. Choose the board that you'd like this to apply to. Then choose the status. You can choose to have multiple triggers to add the client into campaigns by clicking Add. You also have the option of adding an exit criteria. The exit criteria works the same way as the entry criteria, but will ensure that the client is removed from the drip campaign based on this trigger. Now, you're ready to start setting up your email. You can choose to send the first email instantly or to wait a number of days before sending the first email and choose a time that you would like the email to be sent out. You will then need to enter a subject and preview text for your email. Choose whether to CC your co-applicant or to send them a separate email and click here to access your templates. You can set up your templates beforehand from the Templates section. Click Select to choose your template. You can add additional emails into the campaign by clicking Add an email. Choose the number of days from when the last email was sent out that you'd like to wait before sending the next email. Choose the time and then again enter a subject and preview text. CC or send a separate email to your co-applicant. Select your template. You can repeat this process for as many emails as you'd like to add to the drip campaign. Be sure to save your drip campaign by clicking Save Changes and turn the campaign on by toggling the switch to active. If you click Actions, you can choose to delete your drip campaign. Download a CSV to see all the clients that these emails have been sent to and view the clients that are currently in the drip campaign. From the Drip Campaigns tab, you can view all your drip campaigns and edit the drip campaign if you choose. That's how to create a drip campaign in Filogix Expert Pro.